Hey guys, it's your girl Tia. So I'm back with another video. So this time I have another unboxing. There we go. This is my fifth one, man. 5 months? That's crazy. But let's get into it. Alright, let's see what goodies they sent me this time. Oh man. Oh. Okay. First up. Oh, we have a shirt. Another shirt. I don't know who the hell this is. All these new characters they coming out with nowadays. Yeah, I don't know who that is, but it looks good. Looks like a really cool shirt. Okay, next up is really? Star Wars Rogue One Partisan X-Wing Fighter. That actually looks pretty fucking cool. Alright. So I can sit this on my computer desk. This is awesome. This is awesome. Alright. Next up we have Marvel collectible label pins. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Let's see. Okay. Let me cover it up. It's so cute. Look at him. Isn't he cute? Oh, that's what's up. Okay. So I got one pin and you can collect them all. There's 5, 10, 15, 20. There's 25 of them. That's a lot. I don't think I'll be collecting them all though. I don't think that's happening. And we have another pin here. One Up Faction, July 2017. So I have 5 of these sitting on my desk right now. It's cool. Alright, what is this? Like one of those scent thingies you hang up in your car? Oh, yes, it is. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. It smells like strawberries and cream and it smells fruitalicious. Damn. Yep, I'm hanging this shit up in my car. Definitely. Okay. And then what is this? A sticker? But I don't know who it is though. I have no idea who it is. But the sticker looks awesome. Yeah, looks cool. Nothing serious. Alright, and then this is just the paper that tells you everything that's on it. Oh, so the air freshener is Assassin's Creed? Okay, cool. That's what that is. Oh, Squid Ink. Okay, that's what the picture was. Okay. And then my label pin was Ultron. So that's cute. Frenemy. That's what the name of the shirt is. Yeah, don't know who the hell they are. But this was cool. Alright, so that's the end of my unboxing. Of course, I love the t-shirts, but this is actually my fave that I got in the box. This is my favorite. Yeah. So I will be setting up a P.O. box soon. So I can't wait to see what you guys send. This will be interesting. I'll probably set it up sometime next month. I think the beginning of next month I'll set it up. So if you enjoyed the video, as always, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. And let me know what you think about the unboxing. So comment below. And I'll see you guys in my next 1UP unboxing video. Deuces.